Hey guys, my name's Josiah, and I'm learning JavaScript. I've often heard that if you want to check the equality of two variables, you should always use the triple equals operator and never the double equals operator. I've heard things like, oh, the double equals operator, it checks loose equality and sometimes gives false positives if things are kind of equal but not quite. And I've recently learned that that's not the case. The double equals operator is for coercive equality, and I'll explain what that means in a bit. But I found this neat little exercise on Edibits, and in this exercise, we're going to be checking the equality of two given parameters, a and b. In this challenge, they want us to create a function that will check the equality of two variables in one concise statement, and check value and type. They're wanting us to use the triple equals operator because it'll make the code super simple. However, I think that's going to make the code a bit harder to understand and see what it's actually asking us to do. So I think we can do the same thing in a couple of statements. I'm going to show you how to get the same result with the double equals, and it'll be easier to read. This is a test file that I've created. It has a function that will check to see if our function actually works. It'll tell us either pass or fail. We're going to write a function that checks the equality of a and b. First, let's see what happens when we simply check if a is equal to b with the double equals operator. Return a double equals b. Okay, that's passing some of our tests, but failing the rest. Let's try triple equals. This is working all the time. So triple equals is superior then? Not exactly. See, double equals is checking coercive equality. This means it doesn't care what type of variable we're dealing with. It will make both variables the same, and then it will check if they're equal to each other. Triple equals only checks strict value equality, no conversion involved. Now the type of operator will tell us the type of variable we're dealing with. So let's check if the type of A is equal to the type of B. Return type of A double equals type of B. This is better than before. We're passing 9 out of 10 of our tests, but we're failing the 7th test. Let's take a look at the 7th test. Okay, we're checking if nan is equal to nan and if that is false. That would make sense because nan is a primitive value that is not equal to itself. Even though most things in JavaScript are equal to themselves, nan is an exception. So why is our test failing? Well, we're only checking if the type of our variables are equal, not the value. Nan is actually a number, and the type of a number is still equal to type of a number. So let's take that corner case in mind and create an if statement to check for a nan. Since nan can't be equal to itself, we're going to say if A is not equal to A and B is not equal to B. Then we're going to return false. Here we'll create an else case for something that isn't two nans. Else return type of A equals type of B. Now we're passing all of our tests. But this only checks type equality. What if we wanted to check value equality too? I have a test here for value equality, and we're failing. So let's turn this into an else if statement that checks the type of equality. Now we'll check if the value of A is equal to the value of B. We'll only need the double equals operator because when the types of variables are the same, the double equals operator operates exactly the same as the triple equals operator. We'll just check A is equal to B. We'll add another else and return false. Finally, we're passing all of our tests. And this code is a lot easier to understand than just a random triple equals check would have been, in my opinion at least. So that's double equals versus triple equals for you. I hope you learned something. I did. If you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.